Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to open eToro trading account and invest your money international stock market, as well as you can buy some cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. So how to open eToro trading account? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open any web browser. You can do same process of Android devices or iOS devices. So simply type here eToro, enter. So such kind of website is display here. The world leading social trading platform. Basic informations are available. You can invest your money stock market in globally, purchase the cryptocurrency, CFD trading facilities are available on single platform. Some basic informations are available. You can visit on that website and read properly. Or before start anything, you need to join up first of all. So join now. I join here, create account. So simply add here like Research Rock as a username, as a demo perspective 09. I'm adding here my email address and then password, one special character, one small character, one number. Create my account. I'm receiving one verification link on that email address. I'm receiving verification link. I active this link. Look at this here, and I again refresh on that one. So automatically verify already. So here my account is created. Now look at this, my profile is currently empty, but you can add your money here up to 2000 euro at a time. Total allocation, profit and equity related informations are comes here. Some basic information. First of all, you need to complete your profile. So first of all, I upload one picture here. So accordingly upload your picture, refresh once again. My picture is uploaded. Some basic related informations are displayed here like status, my portfolio and my chart. And now complete the profile, continue, add your name here, mail, add your date of birth here, continue. So my profile is 10% is completed. Now I add my address here. I am not US citizen, continue. So now up to 1 to 10 I am investing equities, stock market and cryptocurrency, like same $1 to $500 investment. I have trading knowledge like in midterm academic degree in financial related field. Continue. Where exactly you are planning of investing stock, cryptocurrency. Next, you invest 24/7 money or few weeks, several months, or more than several months or year. So I am just select on few months or several months, few weeks or several months. Return terms saving for home. Please risk up to 1000, in between 10-6% risk, none of this. Financial sector status, salaried company, and you add your company name here up to 1 to 5 million. Next, continue, and accordingly all info confirm. So accordingly all informations you can verify, like complete verification or continue to deposit. So continue to deposit, just select, I'm selecting $1000. Add here credit card and deposit your money. It's very simple, and your money in directly here available on that particular balance. Create your profile accordingly and invest your money in cryptocurrency or international stock market, but it's mandatory to complete your profile here like in 100% and then invest your money. It's amazing website. You can do same process and invest your money. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.